Hello.
Wow, I smell good. I smell something very nice today. I smell you, baby. You smell good. You just take a bath. What did you do today? Baby, what did you do today?
I eat.
Dinner?
I eat egg, meat,
Wow.
meat bone.
Meat. Right, and rice?
Yes. Grass.
Wow. Yum, 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 yummy. Okay, good evening, baby. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Koa. Welcome to our class. So, my name is Teacher Leia. Nice to see you again. So, baby, hold on. My ears are aching already because of my headset. It's okay, baby. Let me remove it. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, okay. So, last time we had a test, right?
Yes.
So we had Unit 4A, listening. So right now, we will be having another test, which is Unit 4B. Unit 4B, baby, is, I think it's more on speaking. Okay? No, reading or writing. Okay?
Yes.
So, baby, I want you to get another piece of paper so that if I will ask you to write it, you're going to write it, okay?
Paper.
Okay, wow, you have a paper already. Good job.
Yes.
Wow, okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let me share my
Your pencil.
ears are aching already. So, are you ready to rumble? Okay, are you ready? Okay.
You see. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm?
Okay. Are you ready? Tell me if you're ready.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, as you can see, baby, look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There is one example. Look at the example, baby. Let me show you. You put your books in this at home. So it is on bookcase. So questions 1 to 6. Can you read?
Yes.
Okay.
Did have you found the right door?
The right road, baby. Right road.
Right door.
So what is that?
Uh, a map.
Yes, I'm the map. I'm the map. I'm the map. Wow, good job. Okay, so that's the map. Okay, hold on, baby.
Can you play here between this sun?
Okay, you go to this place to choose books.
Can you play here between this sun?
Now, number 2, can you play here between lessons? What's that?
Is can you play he between listen?
Lessons, baby. Lessons. So what's that?
A playground?
Yes, a playground. Yes, that's correct. Next.
You go to this place to use book. A library. A library.
Baby, listen to teacher. It's a library.
Library.
Yeah. Okay, next.
You put the on the bed on the
Cold night. You put it
blanket.
on your bed on cold night. Cold night.
A blanket. A blanket.
Or blankets. Yes.
You know on a
You
different
need one.
bone.
You need one.
Two wheels.
Maybe you need one of these after a bath.
You need one of the effect a bone. Two
After
wheels.
a bath. After a bath. Baby, after a bath.
Two wheels.
It's a
two wheels.
towels, baby. Towels.
Towels.
Towels. Towels. Towels.
Towels.
Okay, very good, baby. Next is
you do this after school from your teacher.
you do this
Homework.
at school for your teacher. What's that? Homework. Yay! Wow, perfect. Good job, baby. Okay, it's very easy, right? So again, let's try. Can you read the answer? Okay, can you read?
Two
Okay, it's a
playground. A library.
blankets.
Blanket. Towel. Homework.
Okay, very good. Next, look and read. Okay.
Look and read what is on your part. The example. The monkey which is in the tree is eating some fruit. Yes. The red and
now the
yellow
baby.
bird is
You're going to look at the examples. The monkey, which is in the tree, is eating some fruit. Okay, yes. Look at the picture, baby. Can you read the second one?
the monkey which is in the tree is eating some fruit.
Okay. Yeah, next.
The red and yellow bird is sitting on a tree.
Okay. Yes, okay, next. Look at the picture questions. The tiger, can you look can you read the question and then you're
The
going to answer
tiger
yes or
is
no.
looking at the monkey. Yes,
The tiger is looking at the monkey. Yes or no?
yes.
Next.
The fat pig is climbing in the
Climbing.
tree.
Climbing.
Climbing in no.
The fat snake is climbing. Yeah, very good. Oh, yes, baby. Look. He,
Hmm.
but it's not, no? Baby, how will the snake can climb on the tree? Two crocodile.
Crocodile are two crocodile. No.
No. Two crocodiles
No.
swimming in the river. Why no, baby? It's only one, right? Oh, very good.
No.
Next.
One of the elephant is drinking in the river. No.
One of the elephants is drinking in the rivers. Yes, baby.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
The elephant, look, the elephant is drinking water. Only one. Look,
Oh.
the other one is
That
not. Okay.
are lying under the tree. No.
Their butts are flying under the trees. Yes, good job. No, it's a no. And lastly,
The Tamin
the
has
tall man.
gray and big hat. No.
The tall man has got beard and a
No.
big hat. No.
No.
Very good. Woohoo! Very good, baby. Perfect. Okay, next.
What?
Hold on.
What? The picture.
Hold on, baby, hold on. Read the text and choose the best answer. Look at the examples. Can you read it? How are you today, Peter?
Pink and you. Fun things you.
Okay. No, baby. It's very good. How are you today, Peter? Fine, thanks, Jill. Okay, how about the questions here?
And
Jill,
you let weekend.
I didn't see you last weekend. So, what will be the answer? Sign JM, sorry, baby, my son is talking to me. Okay. I didn't.
Number I.
Letter A, baby. I didn't see.
Letter I. Letter I.
Letter A. Is that your final answer? Yay! Very good. Good job. Okay, next. Let's move on. Did your sister go with you?
Number letter C. Letter C.
Letter C, baby.
Letter C.
Baby, can you read the question and then your answer? Did your sister go with you? Go.
Did your sister go with you? Letter C.
No, she couldn't go. Very good. Next.
Yeah. Has your output and zero.
B. Got. Has your aunt got any children?
Letter I. Letter I.
Letter A.
Letter I.
No, it's letter
Letter B.
B. Actually, number 2 is also
Where does she
baby. Letter A is also correct.
Where does she live?
Where does she live?
She lives in letter I. Letter I.
Yes. In the river, baby. They
Can
live
I
in the river. Next.
can I come with you next question? Letter C. Letter C.
Letter C, yes. Baby, I think. Try again, baby. Think, think, think. Can I come with
Can
you
I
next week?
come with you next weekend? Letter C.
No, baby. It's letter B. Next.
Oh, I must go home now. Letter C. Letter C.
Letter B.
B.
Okay, bye. Okay, baby, we're going to read this one. Read the story. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to the number 1 and to 6. There is one example. So, can you read it? Last Saturday, one by one, baby.
Last Tuesday.
Saturday. Last
Saturday
Saturday.
at noon, I went to the chemist with my father. On the wall, sitting the
Outside.
by
Outside.
the cinema. There was a big picture of the plane. We went inside that lắp chấm.
We went inside Dad. What is your answer? Dad.
That look
We went inside. Dad bought.
a boat
Bought.
a chicken
Our tickets, baby. Our tickets.
a ticket and an ice cream for me. Then we sat down the flame. We
But
about
the film was about
a month
a famous
famous pirate.
pirate. Baby, it's pirate.
Pirate. His name was Jim and he had a curly brown
Mustache.
mustache. He
Sailed
sailed on a boat to an Israel
to an
with
island, baby. Island.
Iceland with some friends. They ate some coconut
Very good.
with the flour
They found on
the beach.
there.
And they went fishing after that. Jim went for a walk and for a big box with some rock. He opened it and inside there was a lot of
Treasure.
cheese. Jim shouted to his friend, "Come and look at this." They are lower. and then when they saw inside the box, I enjoyed the plane a lot.
Wow! So baby, I will try to write all the words that you're going to practice after the class, okay? So Saturday,
Okay.
walk outside, cinema, okay, bought, famous, pirate, baby, sailed,
Mm-hmm.
curly, mustache, mustache, beach, treasure, okay, okay, very good, baby. Now, choose the best title of the story, baby. The one that you read or the one that you
Now
read.
choose the best name for the story. Click on box.
Or take one box. What do you think is the title of the story?
Mm, 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 mm.
What is this answer? It's an afternoon with dad. Hold on, baby.
Mm. A
Okay. Next.
song from the
Okay, next. Okay.
bus stop.
Look at the pictures, baby, and read the story. Write words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use one, two, or three words. Jane doesn't like shopping. Can you read it?
At the week, yes,
Weekend.
mom
Weekend,
said
weekend. At
I
the
went
weekend.
to go shopping. Can you hear me, Jess? Yes, she said. Jess and her mother caused a bus to the town. Jess' mother kept right on back and Jess carried another.
Carried another,
The
okay?
bus the bus stopped outside a big supermarket and they went east.
Inside.
Just went inside very happy, sitting shopping a party.
Okay. Examples. Jane and her mother went shopping at the weekend. They went to town by the bus. Okay, baby. At the weekend, okay. Jane carried a blank for her mother. Carried
With a bag for her mother.
next
They went shopping big in the big mall.
supermarket, baby. Jane
In
doesn't
the supermarket.
enjoy
Visiting sitting is Corey.
Okay. Now, baby, look at the picture. Inside the shop, read it. Baby, inside the shop, let's read it. Inside the shop. Baby, I cannot hear you. You are on mute. Baby, I cannot hear you. You are on mute. Unmute your mic, baby. I cannot hear you, baby. Baby, you are on mute. Turn on your mic. Turn on your mic. You are on mute. I cannot hear you. Baby, you are on mute. Baby, you are on mute. Turn on your mic, baby. Baby, I cannot hear you. Can you turn on your mute? Can you turn on? I cannot hear you, baby. Call your mom, baby. Hold on. Baby. Ah, I can. You are on mute, baby. Look. Baby, you are on mute. Baby. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you now. Baby, you accidentally turned off your mic. So let's continue the test. Are you ready?
Yes. Chụp bài mới hả? Chán quá nhỉ.
Okay, baby. Inside, okay, can you read it again, baby? Inside the shop.
Inside the shop, yes, mother picking up fruit and bread, but she can't find and rice. But then for some kilos, the past
Below the pasta.
hot place clever girl. She sighed. The yes mother want a pot of lemon. Yes,
Lemon, baby.
you look. The boats were in the difficult place, but James climbed on a big box, took one. When she jumped down again, she hurt her leg and started to bleed.
Oh, to cry. Started to cry. Okay, Jane's mother found the fruit and bread in the shop. Again, baby.
Mm, 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 mm. The rice was under.
James' mother
James' mother mum for the
found,
food and bread in the shop.
okay, the rice was under the same pasta.
The rat was under the past.
Jane climbed on a box to get a bottle of
Jane climbed on the box to get a bottle of lemon.
Jane started crying because she hurt her leg when she jumped down.
Back to clean because she hurt her leg when she jumped.
Okay. Okay. Jane's mother bought Jane a pink ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Oh, baby. Jane's mother
His mother bought Jean a pink ice cream. She sat down and it is she puzzling in but her legs hurt and she closed only went very soft on it. Jane's mother phoned home and Jane's father came to the supermarket to drive
them home.
home. When they got like Jane's mother said, "Oh, Dad, I can take you shopping again."
Yeah.
Yes, then when
Jane's mother pink ice cream. Jane could not walk quickly because her leg hurt. Jane's dad maybe Jane's dad, father,
James' dad father took them home again in the car.
yes. Read the text, choose the right words and write them on the lines. Okay. Dolphins live in the sea. They can swim very quickly. Can you read it, baby?
No. Dolphins live in the sea. They can swim very quickly and catch a lot of fish. They are much smaller than with or shark, but more beautiful. Dolphins sometimes come to the beach. It's hot weather and play with the children who are swimming there. They are not afraid of people. You can after the sea dolphin duck don't you can also see dolphin up up.
Okay. You can often
use now.
Baby, listen to teacher.
Okay, sorry.
They are not afraid of people. This one, baby. They baby.
They learn how to play games with ball and toy. Dolphins are a lot of people's favorite animal.
Dolphins, listen to teacher. Dolphins are a lot of people's favorite animal. Again, dolphins,
Dolphins,
dolphins
dolphins are
are
a lot
that
of
people's
favorite animals.
favorite animal. Oh, okay, baby. I will put all the words that you need to practice, okay? Baby, you need to practice the words in order for you to...
Thank you and goodbye.
No, baby, not yet, not yet. Hold on, hold on. I will be getting the words. So I will put it in Zalo, baby, so that you can practice them all, okay?
5 minutes. 5 minutes. Go out. What?
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet, I can clap my hands, I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
So baby, I will put all the words that we learned today on Zalo. So baby, let's practice more, okay?
Yes, yes, yes. Show me little.
Hold on, baby.
No. Bye bye. Goodbye.
Hey, baby,
Bye
see you
bye bye.
again on Friday, baby. Okay, bye-bye.
Yes. Goodbye, teacher.